Hi everyone, thanks for joining our Agrimaster tutorial. Today we'll be going through how to set up Bankfeeds. Let's jump right in. So firstly, we'll just need to open up Agrimaster. Open the file. And then we just want to go into the banking setup. So you just need to go through each of these. So your name, BSB, account number. Just make sure they're all correct. Once you're happy with the information, you can just green tick it and cross out. And then we'll just go back and into the internet banking setup. And then you just want to make sure that this pathway is correct. So this will be saved in the NetBank folder. So you should look like this as well. And then you just want to go through your bank accounts. I've only got the one here. You might have multiple. And just make sure that the bank account is set to Bankwest OBB. So this is just the universal format we use for Bankfeeds. Even you can see like I'm with ANZ, even if you're with another bank, just set it to Bankwest OBB. And then in this box over here, you'll be able to choose what you want the file to be saved as. So I just got ANZ access. So once you're happy with this, we'll just green tick it, shut down Agrimaster, save our changes. And then we'll just go into the left hand side. You can see bank accounts. This will show all the bank accounts you've got connected. If you want to go Bankfeeds, you can either connect a new bank feed or disconnect a bank feed. So to disconnect, just click the red button here. And I'll just go through how to connect. So we'll click the blue button. And you'll need to log into your bank. So if you can't find your financial institution here, you'll have to search in the bar up here. But I'm with ANZ, so I'll just click here. Just log into your bank account, agree to the user terms, and submit credentials. And once you see this green message, just click return to Bankfeeds. And you'll notice there's nothing here. We'll just have to keep refreshing the page. And once they've popped up, just connect them. Yep, so you just want to match them here. Click connect. And we'll be able to go back into our Agrimaster file now. Go into the cash book and then go into reconciliation. We just want to make sure we're in the correct month. Once you're happy with that, we'll just reconcile the account. And you're able to pull your CSV in from this little icon up here. Select the file here. You notice you should be in the NetBank folder. Click the green tick, and continue, and then you just want to follow the green arrows. So the first one says pull the debits in. We'll click that, select all of them, and green tick. Now the credits, select all of them, green tick, and then we'll just export it into the transactions. And so now I'll just have to go through each transaction and manually code it. Just select whichever code down here, green tick it, and go on to the next one, so on. And once I've done that, my bank account should correctly reconcile. So we'll just back out of Agrimaster, and I'll just show you how to troubleshoot Bankfeeds. So on the left hand side again, we'll go bank accounts, Bankfeeds. If you go back to the bank accounts tab, you'll notice that mine says connected. If you're having problems, it will come up with disconnected or not active. If you do see that, you have to go back into the Bankfeeds tab, disconnect the Bankfeeds, reconnect the Bankfeeds. And once you've done that, you'll go into the NetBank folder. So open up your File Explorer, find the NetBank folder, and you'll see the CSV here. So what we'll do is we'll just delete this CSV and go back onto any page in File Manager, just refresh it. If we open up File Explorer again, we'll notice that it's repopulated, so that'll just bring down the latest transactions. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.